One thing I love about Miss Marina is her endless love for all of her students.
Miss Marina is always kind and caring to me, which I deeply appreciate.
She has infinite support for her students.
Miss Marina is always so supportive and understanding.
Not only is she a wonderful teacher, but she is also an amazing person.
She emphasizes personal improvement.
Miss Marina consistently uplifts and supports me throughout my dance journey, serving as a constant source of encouragement.
She's always supporting me.
Miss Marina is so passionate about the art of ballet, and she shares it with each and every one of her students.
Her professionalism as a teacher is truly commendable, leaving no doubt about her expertise in the field.
Miss Marina's drive and grit inspires us all.
She's always patient even if something doesn't work out.
I love everything about Miss Marina. She's the best.
Miss Marina always believes in me. And she always encourages me to do my very best.
She is a true role model.
Every ballet class turns into an opportunity.
Miss Marina has helped me grow both as a dancer and a person.
She teaches with professionalism, musicality, creativity, and love.
And I am forever grateful for her incredible teaching.
She is such a warm-hearted person and a very special mentor to have.
She creates an environment of trust. She has taught us to never give up, and she approaches us with an open mind.
Miss Marina is supported towards all of her students.
Miss Marina possesses an exceptional understanding of each student, carefully selecting ballet variations that align with their individual strengths. Beyond being a ballet teacher, she assumes a parental role in our lives, genuinely caring about our development as both dancers and individuals. I am incredibly grateful to Miss Marina for entrusting me with the lead role of Thumbelina in OVA's very first full production. My heart is filled with deep appreciation for this remarkable opportunity. A truly great ballet teacher is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget. On this special occasion, I want to send my warmest wishes to Miss Marina for a fantastic birthday celebration. Love you!
She has turned us into more than students, into dancers, choreographers, and even teachers.
Miss Marina has made a huge impact on my life. And she is my biggest inspiration.
In addition to her unwavering support, Miss Marina pushes me to overcome challenges, guiding me towards improvement in both technique and artistry.
Miss Marina is always challenging me.
Marina Osipova made me really love ballet. Miss Marina makes us feel like a family.
Her classes are always filled with so much love, passion, and joy.
With Miss Marina in the room, the studio is always full of positive energy. Since day one, Miss Marina has always been super supportive and loving.
Miss Marina's generous spirit shines through, and it's evident that bringing joy to others is her utmost pleasure, especially when helping aspiring dancers like myself reach new heights.
Miss Marina is the heart and soul of OBA. We love her so much.